Okay guys, so I just got my car straight piped and it's just a muffler delete, so it's not really a straight pipe. I didn't remove the catch or anything. And I just wanted to make a video to show you guys what it sounds like. It sounds amazing, I think. It's a little loud, but it's not nothing that is not unbearable. It's alright. I think it sounds great. And I wanted to get some exhausters, but the guy told me that these are aftermarket already. I just need to clean them because they're really dirty. Also, I plastic dipped my rims, and it turned out really good. So, just gonna make a video real quick. I'll turn it on and rev it up a little bit. Okay, I hope you guys can hear that well. And that idle, it's not like super loud, it's like barely even louder than stock. But that's it, thank you.